How to fix your request is pending Instagram problem. So if you want to fix your request is pending on Instagram problem, then first what you need to do is you just need to open up your Instagram, go for the profile which is on the bottom right, go for the upper right which has that three bar icon, and go for account center. Under account center here you need to go for password and security, and under that here you will have two-factor authentication, right? Simply tap on two-factor authentication and make sure to turn on the two-factor authentication on your Instagram application. Once you've turned that on, now the second fix is you need to turn on your VPN. So simply turn on a VPN, any VPN that you have on your device. Once you turn that on, now you can go back and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply take a screenshot of the issue. Like you will have an issue of your request is pending on Instagram, right? So you just need to simply take that screenshot. If you have the screenshot, you need to open up your Instagram and then go for the profile again and tap on the upper right which has that three bat icon. Scroll all the way down and tap on help and go for report a problem. Tap on report a problem again and now tap on don't include and continue. And here you need to upload the screenshot that you have and you need to explain briefly about what's not working. So you need to write that, hello Instagram team, I'm facing an issue of pending Instagram request, so please help me with that issue. And after that, Instagram will help you or guide you with some steps on how you can fix that problem. So that's how you can fix your request is pending on Instagram problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.